Hello everyone again, what's up? Today is gonna be another reacting. Today we're gonna be reacting to Meow with some horrible content. And tomorrow I'm not gonna make videos tomorrow because I'm not gonna have data tomorrow, just data for one day. So let's just get started. I feel pumped up. Kittings. Find disturbing kittings. The church? Meow. Toxic waste. Radiation. Oh no, I know. Yeah.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Not too much. Yeah. This is disturbing. Some dancing cat zombies. They can fight back. Okay, helicopters. Okay, now we're going somewhere. In the head. Well, he killed himself to not feel pain. Well, if a zombie eats you, it's painful. A slowly painful death. So it's a fast death. But what he has grenades right there. He couldn't have exploded the grenade and then not also killing himself. It'll also kill the zombie, so that's a little bit more logical. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Well, that's all for this video. So it's a reacting. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to watch more videos. But tomorrow I'm not gonna make more videos until I get data on my phone, and I don't know when I'm gonna get data on my phone. Well, bye.